Hi, welcome to the video 8 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. Today we are breaking down the timeline and tracks in Premiere Pro. Think of it as the control center where your edit truly happens. So I already opened an existing project file as you can see here. This entire area is called timeline. This is where you arrange, cut and layer your clips. I'll show you in full screen. As you can see, there are almost 12 layers I created for videos. Here you can see V1, V2, V3. V is nothing but video, V1 is nothing but video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4 and so on. And below that you can see A1, A2, A3. A is nothing but audio. A1 means audio track 1, audio track 2, audio track 3, like that. As you can see here, the video tracks are stacked vertically upward direction, whereas the audio tracks are also stacked vertically but in opposite direction. So video tracks will go up, audio tracks will go down. If in case you want to create multiple audio and video tracks separately or together, I'll show you. As you can see, this is the dead space right side to the video. Right click here, you will see some options. Click on add track. Add track is nothing but it is going to add only one track. As you can see, since I clicked on video 1, above that video 1 it adds a new track. If in case I click on video 5, it creates above video 5. Let's see. Now if in case you want to add multiple tracks, not one, you want like 10, 15, 20 like that, including the audio as well, I'll show you. Right click on video 1 or anything you like. Here you see the option called add tracks. Click on it. Here a new window will open. It asks you how many video tracks you want. Above this video 1, since I clicked side to the video 1, it is asking like that. Let's say I want 10. Here it asks you the placement where you want. This is where you get a full control. If in case you want to add after video 1, you can select that. After video 2, you can select that, like that. So I'll make it as after video 1. Let's see. Then the same goes for audio tracks as well. And one more thing here is, it's not compulsion you need to enter 10 here. Since you entered the 10 on the video tracks, you can enter 2, 3, 4, anything as you like. Then it asks you the track type. Make it as standard. And these all are the different audio types. So once you know and learn about audio editing, you will learn about this. Don't worry. Next is the placement option, same like as the video. Then click on OK. As you can see, it created. So whenever you created like too many tracks, if you want to you want to redo it, simply press Ctrl Z. That's it. And some other settings are these. First is this lock option. You can lock this track to avoid accidental or unnecessary changes. Same goes for audio as well. Then is this one. It is sync lock. You can enable or disable it. If in case your audio and video is synced perfectly, you can unsync it and edit it. Next is this I symbol. It's nothing but want to show or hide that particular track. When it comes to audio, we are having some more options. The first option is mute switch. Of course, you know what mute means. Then is solo track. That means apart from this audio one, how many tracks are there, it won't play if you select the solo and play the video. As you can see, right after clicking the solo, remaining all are muted. This is really helpful when you are layering the music or a lot of sound effects and everything you are adding. Next is record button, where you can give the voiceover directly by connecting the external mic. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. All about the video tracks and audio tracks and entire the timeline, how it looks like. And if you want to change any of this, yes, you can move it and you can change it however you like. No one is stopping you. See, I'm changing it. That's it. So that's simple and fun to use the Adobe Premiere Pro software. So in this video, you learned all about the video and audio tracks, how to create a new one or how to delete. Of course, I'll show you how to delete it. If in case I want to delete this video 6 track, Right click on it, click on delete track. That simple it is. These all options are self-explanatory. Once you go through them, you will know it. And that's it. And by the way, guys, if you want one-on-one mentorship on coaching on how to run a successful YouTube channel, including strategies I have personally used, fill out the Google form in the description box. I'd love to work with you and help you grow faster. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video.